Let me say this as clearly as possible. If someone promises you fast money with little effort, run. Close the tab. Leave the group. Delete the number. Because in the world of finance, speed is almost always the first red flag. Not sometimes, not maybe, always. In this video, I'll break down why fast money promises are dangerous, how they trap even intelligent people, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself in today's online economy where these schemes are everywhere. Let's be honest. Fast money is appealing not because people are greedy, but because financial pressure is real. Bills don't wait for your investment to mature. Rent is due whether you're ready or not. Your family's needs don't pause for a market dip. And then you open your phone and see this. Screenshots of crypto profits. A 22-year-old driving a Ferrari from trading. Testimonials of students who made GHC 5,000 in 1 week. Captions like, "I was broke 6 months ago, now look." This creates urgency inside you. You don't want to be left behind. You don't want to miss out. Scammers know this psychology better than most therapists. They don't sell opportunity, they sell urgency. They sell fear of missing out. They sell a version of your life that looks exactly like what you want, just fast. Here's the truth. Every financial scam, whether crypto, forex, MLM, investment clubs, or AI trading bots, follows the same structure. The tool changes, the trap stays the same. Step 1, the promise. Guaranteed returns. Double your money in 30 days, zero risk. These are not investment terms, they are alarm bells. No legitimate product guarantees returns. Not stocks, not bonds, not real estate, nothing. Step 2, social proof. Fake testimonials, paid influencers, edited screenshots, all designed to make you feel like everyone else is winning, except you. Step 3, urgency. Limited slots, offer closes midnight, only for serious people. Manufactured pressure meant to stop you from thinking clearly. Step 4, silence after payment. The group goes quiet, the account manager stops responding, your withdrawal request is processing, and then nothing. Real-world case. In 2022, a Ghanaian Telegram group promised 30 to 50% monthly returns on forex signals. Members paid GHC 301,200. Small payouts came for 3 weeks to build trust. By week 4, the admin vanished. Over 400 members lost deposits. The early payouts weren't profits, they were other members' money. A classic Ponzi scheme. Scams don't target stupidity, they target emotions. Hope, fear, greed, desperation. I've seen engineers lose savings to crypto schemes, lawyers join MLMs, teachers invest in guaranteed real estate programs that didn't exist. Even intelligent people fall because emotions override logic. The difference is that real investors train themselves to pause, to question, to verify, and that skill is learnable. When someone loses money, people focus on the cash. But the damage goes deeper. Confidence collapses. You doubt your own judgment. Trust erodes. You become suspicious of legitimate opportunities. Momentum breaks. Some stop investing entirely for years. Relationships suffer, especially if you convinced family to join. The emotional damage often outlasts the financial loss. Some never recover their willingness to try again, and that's the real tragedy. So if not fast money, then what? Here's the boring truth. Wealthy people already know. Wealth is built slowly, protected carefully, and compounded over time. Build a skill the market pays for consistently. Save a fixed percentage of every income before spending. Invest in regulated products, index funds, treasury bills, licensed real estate. Build diversified income streams slowly, one at a time. Before any investment, ask yourself, 1, is this product regulated by a legitimate authority? 2, is the risk clearly explained or avoided? 3, does the return make economic sense? 4, would I still invest if there was no hype, no urgency, no group pressure? If any answer makes you hesitate, walk away. Real-world case. Amma started investing GHC 200 month into Ghana government treasury bills at age 24. No hype, no signals. By age 34, her portfolio had grown to over GHC 38,000. She didn't get rich overnight, she got rich permanently. That's what boring money looks like, and it works. If someone tells you wealth is quick, easy, and guaranteed, run. Not because opportunity doesn't exist, it does. But a real opportunity is patient. It tolerates questions. It shows you the risk. It doesn't disappear at midnight.